Hey guys, in the next 60 seconds, I'll be teaching you the only 3 legitimate ways to make money off the internet. First is by using a product to make money on the internet. It's either you're an affiliate or you're doing dropshipping or you own a product by yourself, probably creating info products for yourself to make money online. The second way is by services, offering an online service online and getting paid to offer their services over the internet. Doing freelancing is a very ideal way to make money online using services. And the third way to make money online is by attention. Basically, this concept involves gathering people over the internet and giving them value. You could do this through YouTube, through Facebook, through Instagram, Twitter, maybe creating blogs, getting interactive with people, basically giving them value over the internet and grabbing their attention.